Hi guys, welcome to Sirithuli Peruvallamahum YouTube channel. This is Mohan Kumar. Uh, Today I am going to talk about a wealth creation stock, a stock which could have generated you like millions and millions of dollars for just a mere investment of just 1000 rupees. So today I am going to talk about a stock which is very famous name. You guys will be heard about this stock very often. It's a very big IT sector. It's the second largest IT sector company in India. So today we are going to see none other than Infosys. So I'm just going to show you how a mere investment of just 1000 rupees invested in Infosys 30 years ago could have made you a millionaire by today. So that's what I'm going to show you, just showing a simple example. You can see here the Infosys started its IPO around 1993, but even before that the stocks were trading. So it is the stocks were started trading right from 1986. So at the time the issue price, the IPO price was just 100 rupees. So in 1986, if you had 1000 rupees in your pocket and if you have just purchased just 10 shares of Infosys which is worth of 1000 rupees, just worth of 1000 rupees, how much return it would have fetched you over this 35 years? That is what we are going to see. As you can see the screen, you can see that the number of years Infosys has given bonus shares for each share held by the shareholder. So I am going to go on year by year basis so that you can just see how your wealth is growing gradually, steadily, but as a massive return. In case at IPO price you purchased 10 shares with 1000 rupees, in 1986 you would have received a 1:1 bonus share. That means for each 10 shares you hold, you would have received another 10 shares, new shares. So total you will be having 20 shares by the end of year 1986. Again by 1989 they have provided another bonus of 1:1 ratio. That means whatever 20 shares you held in 1986 would have become 40 shares by 1989. In 1991 again they have given 1:1 of bonus shares, so your 40 shares would have become 80 shares. In 1992 again 1:1 bonus shares are issued, so 80 shares would have become 160 shares. In 1994 again 1:1 bonus shares issued, your 160 shares would have become 320 shares. In 1997 they have again issued 1:1 bonus shares, so your 320 shares would have become 640 shares. In 1999 again they have given 1:1 bonus share, your 640 shares would have become 1280 shares by the end of year 1999. By the year of 2000, instead of bonus share they have given a stock split. So for every one share, the stock one share is divided into splitted into two shares. So by the end of year 2000 you would have got 2560 shares. In year 2004 you have got a bonus share at the 3:1. That means for every one share you held they would have given you a bonus shares of 3. That means your 2560 shares at the starting of 2004 year would have become 10,240 shares at the end of 2004 year. Further adding to that, again 2006 Infosys has given 1:1 bonus, so your 10,240 shares would have become 20,480 shares. In 2014 again 1:1 bonus share is issued, your 20,480 shares would have become 40,960 shares. In 2015, once again Infosys very generously given 1:1 bonus shares. So your 40,960 shares would have become 81,921 shares. At last, finally, 2018 also they gave 1:1 bonus shares. So your 81,920 shares would have become 1,63,480 shares by the year end of 2018. Remember guys, in 1986 when the shares were listed in the share market, the Infosys share was just and the market price for the Infosys is just 100 rupees. But now if you see what is the current market price of the Infosys, that is around 1736 rupees. It is trading at this value today per share. So if you would have invested on 1986 just 10 shares, by 2018 you would be having 1,63,480 shares in your account, demat account. If you multiply the current market price of that one share with that number of shares, then you would have a portfolio the worth of 28 crores 44 lakhs 26,240 rupees. Just imagine guys, is this not a huge amount? You became a millionaire, not just 1 million. You now have a worth of $4 million money, Indian rupees, in your demat account. Wait, there is one more thing. I didn't include the dividends. Let me show you how much dividend you would have received just this year alone. Since you are having 1,63,480 shares in your account, demat account, and this year Infosys has given 300% of dividend of its face value, that is 15 rupees per share. So if you multiply that, you would have received 24 lakhs 52,200 rupees just as a dividend without doing anything. You didn't do any trading, you just invested that money, 1,000 rupees in 1986. Over the period of this 36 years, just this year alone you would have received this dividend of 24 lakhs 52,200 rupees. Just imagine guys, this is the power of compounding and power of bonus and split shares. So always when you want to build a wealth or you want to create a wealth, always try to invest in a value stocks. They may not be giving very high returns over a short period of time, but in a long run it will create a very good wealth for you. So I just wanted to share this with you guys so that you will be able, whenever youngsters are going to invest in the share market, instead of running behind stocks which is giving the high returns in a short period of time, try to invest in a value stocks and invest it and hold it for a long period of time. Definitely at the age of your retirement you will be retiring as a wealthy person. Thank you so much guys. I will be coming back with another video with another interesting story. Thank you so much.